Imagine a world where your thoughts drift away like clouds in the sky, leaving you with a tranquil mind open to the present moment. This is the essence of meditation, a gentle practice that allows you to connect deeply with yourself. Now, let's begin by drawing your attention to your breath. Take a slow, deep inhale through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Feel your belly expand, your chest open, and your shoulders relax. Now, exhale gently through your mouth, allowing any tension to melt away. Feel your body soften as you release the air. Let's repeat this cycle. Inhale slowly through your nose once more, inviting calmness into your being. Exhale through your mouth, releasing any lingering stress. Notice how your body feels lighter with each breath. As we settle into this rhythm, bring your awareness to your body. Feel the weight of your body against the surface beneath you. Notice the contact points of your feet, legs, back, and head. With each inhale, draw in a sense of connection. And with each exhale, let go of anything that no longer serves you. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling that connection strengthen. Exhale through your mouth, allowing any distractions or worries to drift away. Now, let's focus on your posture, which is an essential part of your meditation practice. Sit comfortably, ensuring your spine is straight and your hands rest gently on your lap or your knees. If it feels right, you can even place a hand on your heart, feeling its steady rhythm. Inhale deeply through your nose, visualizing your spine lengthening with each breath. Exhale through your mouth, feeling your shoulders drop away from your ears. Let your jaw unclench, and notice how your body begins to relax even further. As thoughts arise, a natural part of meditation, acknowledge them without judgment. Picture these thoughts as leaves floating on a gentle stream. As you inhale, imagine gathering those leaves, and with each exhale, release them into the flowing water. Inhale through your nose, gathering those thoughts. Exhale through your mouth, watching them float away. Let's deepen your experience by inviting a visualization. Picture a serene landscape, a peaceful forest, a quiet beach, or a tranquil mountain. Wherever you feel most at ease, let that image fill your mind. Inhale through your nose, allowing the beauty of this scene to fill your heart. Exhale through your mouth, releasing any remaining distractions, sinking deeper into this soothing image. As you breathe, repeat the following affirmations silently to yourself. I am present. I am calm. I am connected. Inhale deeply through your nose, embracing this affirmation. Exhale through your mouth, letting these words resonate within you. Now let's practice counting our breaths to enhance our focus. On your next inhale, count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel your lungs fill completely. Now, exhale to the count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Letting go of tension. Let's do this again. Inhale for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue this pattern at your own pace. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel the calmness washing over you with each cycle, creating a sense of rhythm and grounding. If your thoughts wander, gently guide your focus back to the count. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling the air fill your body. Exhale through your mouth, releasing everything else. Now, let's gently shift our focus to a soft belly breathing technique. Place your hand on your abdomen, feeling the rise and fall as you breathe. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your belly expand into your hand. Exhale through your mouth, noticing your belly fall gently. Continue with this soft belly breathing. Inhale through your nose, feeling the warmth and serenity within. Exhale through your mouth, envisioning your breath carrying away any remaining tension. With each breath, invite a deeper sense of peace and relaxation. You are cultivating a space of inner calm, a sanctuary that you can return to whenever you need. Take a moment to reflect on how you feel right now. Appreciate this time you've taken for yourself, each breath leading you further inward, deeper into relaxation and acceptance. Inhale slowly through your nose, taking in this appreciation. Exhale gently through your mouth, expressing gratitude for this moment of stillness. As we begin to conclude this meditation, bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the surface beneath you, the sounds around you, and the gentle rhythm of your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, gathering all the peaceful energy you've cultivated. Exhale through your mouth, grounding yourself back in the present moment. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes, taking your time to adjust to the light. Allow the calmness from this experience to remain with you as you carry it into your day. Thank you for sharing this meditation journey, dear friend. If this practice helped you find relaxation and clarity, it would mean a lot if you could like this video. If you wish to explore more guided meditations, consider subscribing. Wishing you a peaceful day ahead.